Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, stands before you with a topic air pollution, and this air pollution is found in plus 3 first semester in the paper Environmental Studies, which is a compulsory paper in plus 3 first semester. And so far as environmental studies is concerned, in my channel some of the topics are available like biosphere, hydrosphere, climate change, global warming, and today in my channel air pollution will be observed. So for the convenience of my plus 3 first semester students, I want to mention that some of the topics of environmental studies are available in my channel like biosphere, hydrosphere, climate change, global warming, and today air pollution will be in my channel. I request plus 3 first semester students to take best use of this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe. So most of the videos of environmental studies and political science honors of plus 3 first semester will be available. And today I want to inform you that in my channel most of the topics of plus 2 first year to plus 2 second year, plus 3 first semester to plus 3 fifth semester, most of the topics are included, including environmental studies. So I request my viewers to make best use of this channel, and today's topic is air pollution. So far as air pollution is concerned, 4 aspects of it have been focused. One is the meaning of air pollution. Number 2, causes of air pollution. Number 3, impacts of air pollution. And last one is the remedies to control air pollution. Let us start. What is air pollution? Today, air pollution is a major problem for the environment. It is so much dangerous that air pollution may lead for the extinction of life from the earth. So air pollution is a very dangerous problem. What is the air pollution? Environment has 3 components like air, water, and soil. Environment has 3 components like air, water, and soil. And whenever there will be any abnormality or unnaturality in the component of environment like air, water, and soil, is known as environmental pollution. And in the same way, whenever there will be any abnormality in air, it is known as the air pollution. So what is the meaning of air pollution? Environment has 3 components like air, water, and soil. Whenever there will be any abnormality in these components like air, water, and soil, it is known as environmental pollution. In the same way, air pollution means whenever there will be any abnormality or unnaturality in the air, it is known as the air pollution. And air pollution is so much dangerous that if polluted air will be inhaled, it will lead to broncho diseases, skin diseases, lungs diseases, and eye diseases. So you are clear what is air pollution. Now discuss causes of air pollution. How air is being polluted. The first cause of air pollution is small and large particles emerging from chimneys of factories. The first cause of air pollution is the small and large particles emerge from the chimneys of factories. Due to increase in factories, day by day factories are increasing. Due to increase in factories, more and more polluted smokes are being emitted through the chimneys of the factories. And in this polluted air, in these poisonous smokes, both small and large particles are being emitted. But the large particles which are found in the smokes, they will return back to the earth, return back to the land after 48 hours. But small particles will not return to land, rather they move in the air. And those persons will come in contact with these small particles, or those persons will inhale these small particles. These small particles will create broncho disease, skin disease, eye disease, and lungs disease. So the first cause of the air pollution is small and large particles which are being emitted through the chimneys of factories. This is the first cause of air pollution. Number 2, carbon dioxide or CO2. This gas is mainly emitted by steel plant, oil refinery, and sawmills. This gas mainly affect ozone layer. This gas mainly affect ozone layer of atmosphere, which protects Earth from UV ultraviolet rays, which make Earth warmer and affect skin, eye, etc. people. The second cause of air pollution is carbon dioxide. And this carbon dioxide is being emitted these are being emitted by steel plant, oil refinery, and sawmills. Whenever the carbon dioxide gases will move to atmosphere, they will make hole in the ozone layer of the atmosphere. And this ozone layer protects the earth from ultraviolet rays of the sun. When the ray of the sun will come to the earth, or is coming to the earth, at the time it enters through the ozone layer which is above the earth. And it is the duty of ozone layer to absorb the ultraviolet ray of the sun. But carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, they mainly make hole in the ozone layer. And whenever there will be holes in the ozone layer, ultraviolet ray will come to the earth directly, and they will make the earth warmer, and they will affect the eye and skin of the people. So second cause of air pollution is the carbon dioxide. Number 3, carbon monoxide or CO gas. It is a very dangerous gas, and it is mostly emitted by vehicles. Carbon monoxide is mainly emitted by the vehicles. Though it is small in quantity, but it is very dangerous gas, carbon monoxide. And this gas affects people as well as plants. So third cause of air pollution is the carbon monoxide, which is the most dangerous gas. And CO stands for carbon monoxide. And this carbon monoxide is being emitted by the vehicles. And when people will come in contact with this carbon monoxide, they will suffer from a lot of diseases. And number 4, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, it's CO2. CO2 stands for sulfur dioxide. It is emitted by thermal plant and sulfur plants. Sulfur dioxide is emitted by sulfur plants and thermal plants. The speciality of this gas is that it warms the atmosphere and create problem for living objects. So the fourth element which makes the air poisonous is the sulfur dioxide. Fifth one is hydrogen fluoride. HF stands for hydrogen fluoride. It mainly comes from the aluminum plant. It affects upper part of leaves of tree and make it yellow, and it affects people also. So hydrogen fluoride, it is being emitted by the aluminum plants. If sulfur fluoride will be in the atmosphere, in the air, it will make the leaves of plants, it affects the upper part of the leaves of the plant and it makes it yellow. So it is another cause of air pollution. And number 6, nitrogen oxide, NOx. It comes from nitric acid plants, and sulfur acid plants and vehicles. If 1 ton of coal will be burnt, then 5 to 10 kg of this gas will come. Which gas? The gas is nitrogen oxide. And it also affects living objects, and it is fatal next to carbon dioxide. Next to, if carbon monoxide is dangerous gas, next to it is the nitrogen oxide, NOx. Then the 7th one is the hydrogen sulfide, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, and it is being emitted by the rayon plant mainly and petroleum gas. It also affects plants and people. So these are the causes of air pollution. Now let's discuss impacts of air pollution. The first impact of air pollution is impacts on plants. If in the air there will be ammonia, it makes the leaves of the plant white. If in the air there will be fluoride, it will make the leaves of the plant yellow. And whenever elements of these poisonous gases will be in the air, it will affect plants. If plants will be affected, then food production of nation will be affected. So the first impact of air pollution is that it affects on plants. Then it affects the human body. By inhaling these poisonous gases, people suffer from broncho disease, skin disease, and lung disease. So the poisonous gas has various impacts. The first impact is that impact on human body. If people come in contact with these poisonous gases, they will suffer from different type of broncho disease, lungs disease, and skin disease, and their eyes are also being affected. Number 2, impacts on plants. If air will be polluted, it will affect the plants, because if in the air there will be ammonia, it will make the leaves of the plant white. If in the gas there will be fluoride, it will make the leaves of the plant yellow. So if plants will be affected by this, food production will be affected. Number 3, impacts on vegetables and fruits. By coming in contact with poisonous gases, plants will not have better growth. If plants will not have better growth, then definitely food production will be affected. So third impact is impact on vegetables and fruits. If vegetables and fruits will come in contact with the poisonous gases, then plants will not have better growth. If plants will not have better growth, then food production will be affected. Then affects visibility. Presence of dust particles in air reduce the visibility, and it will affect movement of planes and vehicles. The fifth one is impact on historical monuments. If there will be poisonous elements in the air, it will affect the historical monuments. These are all the impacts of air pollution. Then we will discuss what will be the remedies, what steps will be taken to control air pollution. Number one, heavy plantation of tree. If there will be heavy plantation of trees, plants have the nature to absorb poisonous elements from the air. So heavy plantation of trees can protect people from air pollution. Number two, rigorous steps of government. Government should take rigorous steps. It is the function of government to see that plants must have precipitators in their chimney, because precipitator is an instrument which will purify smokes before it enter into the atmosphere. If factories will use precipitator in their chimney of factories, then smokes will be purified. It purifies the air, it purifies the smokes, and clean smokes will enter into the atmosphere. So it is the duty of government to see that plants must use precipitator in their chimneys. Then third one is use of 4-stroke engines. In place of 2-stroke engine, 4-stroke engines will have to be used. If 4-stroke engines will be used, less smokes will come from the vehicles. It can also protect air pollution. Fourth one is public awareness. If public will be made aware about the fatal impact of air pollution, then to a considerable extent, air pollution can be checked. So I request +3 first semester students that in my channel already biosphere, hydrosphere, climate change, global warming are available. And now I have loaded air pollution. In future, some topics of environmental studies will be loaded. I request my viewers to make best use of this video. Thank you. Have a good day.